Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice kanji. This comforting and nutritious rice porridge is simple to prepare and excellent for digestion. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your preferred rice, about 8 to 10 cups of water, and salt to taste. For extra flavor, consider adding a pinch of grated ginger or some cumin seeds. Now, let's get started with the preparation. First, rinse your 1 cup of rice under cold, running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, drain the rice completely. Then, in a large pot, combine the rinsed rice with 8 to 10 cups of water. Place the pot on your stove and bring this mixture to a vigorous boil over high heat. Once your pot reaches a boil, reduce the heat to a low simmer. Allow the rice to cook gently, stirring occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick. Continue simmering for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the rice grains break down and create a smooth, porridge-like consistency. If it becomes too thick, add a little more hot water. Finally, season with salt to your liking and stir thoroughly. Your delicious rice kanji is now ready to be served. Pour it hot into a bowl. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped cilantro leaves or a squeeze of lemon juice. You can also enhance the flavor with a simple tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves in 1 teaspoon of oil. This comforting and nutritious dish is perfect for any time you need a light, soothing meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.